which is challenged in this writ petition
20,000 to the wife or a child also?
to the wife.
Huh.
From this, I'm paying 10,000 as a domestic violence that she has filed in criminal listener's appeal.
Son is also there.
My lords,
Son is also there.
They are twins, my lords.
Huh?
Twins.
Huh.
Twins.
Wife is earning 70,000 according to you. We'll just take it like that. You're earning 1,40,000, and you have two twins. I mean, twins. Then who will maintain them?
Apart from that, I have my father, mother, and brother.
No, you have children also, not apart. First, you have to maintain your children.
I think the salary which is drawing by the wife, my lords, is sufficient.
Quite reasonable. Nothing to look at it. 20,000 is a reasonable amount. Posted 1,20,000.
Yeah.
So how much? Like again, you will be whenever that 1,20,000 is withdrawn, again you will deposit another 1,20,000.
No, that, my lords.
There should be a basis for that. How much they are entitled. Don't deposit. Take away that 1,20,000. Let know on the merits of this matter. You are paying. The court has ordered 20,000.
20,000.
Please tell the court how is it back.
Filed my assets and liabilities stating that the expenses incurred by husband, I need 60,000 per month. Matter
Yes.
pertaining to the interim maintenance.
Huh.
The impin order dated 19/9/2000.
Notice is served.
Copies
I
is-
filed
You have
vacating.
Yes.
I am for the husband, my lords,
Hmm.
petitioner. The impin order passed by the trial court directing the petitioner to pay 20,000 per month, which is challenged in this writ petition
20,000 to the wife or a child also?
to the wife.
Huh. What is the income of the husband?
Husband, he is working at the plant, senior manager at Plant Tech Solutions, drawing salary of 1,41,000.
Hmm.
And meanwhile, she is also working as a senior project manager.
And how much she is earning?
She is earning around 66 to 70,000 per month.
Huh.
So on that basis, my lords will file the writ petition challenging the impugn order. The matter, there is a stay in this order, my lords, and they have filed in vacating stay. And apart from this, I'm paying 10,000 as a domestic violence that she has filed in criminal listener's appeal, which I'm paying 10,000, my lords.
So what should happen to this?
He is also working.
Now, she's working. She's working and she's earning 70,000. You're earning 1,41,000.
I have a elder father, mother, and brother to look after, my lords. Even if my lords see the equal status of the parties, my lords, the husband as well as wife, both are equally well educated and drawing a good salary. Now on that basis, my lords, I'm paying 10,000 domestic violence act. Apart from that, I have made a deposit of 1
Let
lakh.
us see the order.
Great.
Yes.
The learned counsel for the petitioner has filed an application number 2 of under section 20 of Hindu Marriage Act seeking interim maintenance of 50,000 per month to the petitioner from the respondent from the date of main petition till the pending disposal of and the 20,000 awards and litigation expenses. In support
Son
of-
is also there.
My lords,
Son is also there.
They are twins, my lords.
Huh?
Twins.
Huh.
Twins.
You're paying any separate maintenance to the kids?
No separate maintenance.
And then who will maintain them?
Apart from that, my lords, we have filed assets and liabilities. Both we have filed, my lords, in that.
No. Just it's an admitted fact that wife is earning 70,000 according to you. We'll just take it like that. You're earning 1,40,000, and you have two twins. Twins.
Yes.
Then who will maintain them?
That's apart from that, I have my father, mother, and brother.
No, you have children also, not apart. First, you have to maintain your children.
I think the salary which is drawing by the wife, my lords, is sufficient.
Quite reasonable. Nothing to look at it. 20,000 is a reasonable amount. Where she has to maintain the kids also. Two kids. You have twins.
Out of one, my lordship suffering from nerve problem, your lordship. Nerve problem of hands and leg.
Yes.
My lords, one more submission.
Make your submissions.
Apart from that, when I made an deposit where she can withdraw the amount where I have deposited 1,20,000. Apart from the order which was passed in Domestic Violence Act, 10,000, I made an account where she can withdraw amount which has I have made 1,20,000 deposit. I've stated.
What is that? I didn't understand.
Well, it's apart from the Domestic Violence Act, where the trial court has ordered to pay 10,000 as monthly maintenance. I've made an account,
Where she can withdraw only 10,000 per month.
not 10,000. She can withdraw any, how much ever she can.
Kindly come, lordship, kindly come to pay number 868.
I say, for what of sufficient source to meet the quantum of maintenance granted to the tune of 10,000 towards twin children was so far not to be complied with by me. However, the respondent has opened a recurring deposit account at Indian Postal Service, Mangalore, to the tune of 1,20,000 in the name of the petitioner. She can utilize the said amount towards interim maintenance to the children.
It's a matter of trial where, my lordship, whether it is deposited by himself or the wife has to be,
I have deposited. I have deposited.
and he,
No, what do you, no, you say that you deposited 1,20,000.
Yeah.
So how much, like, again, you will be, whenever that 1,20,000 is withdrawn, again, you will deposit another 1,20,000.
No, that my lords,
There should be a basis for that, how much they are entitled. Don't deposit, take away that 1,20,000. Let us fix the amount.
and subsequently, there is an order by the trial court to pay 10,000 maintenance under Domestic Violence Act. I'm paying that.
no, he himself declares that he has not complied it.
No, on the merits of this matter, you're paying, the court has ordered 20,000.
20,000,
Please tell the court how is it bad.
my lords.
That one submission you made is that you have a brother and parents to take care of. That is one.
And my lords,
And she is also educated.
Educated.
She's earning.
and my lords, as per my filed my assets and liabilities stating that the expenses incurred by husband, I need 60,000 per month
You need
Have-
60,000 per month for your expenses.
expenses. ma'am.
And wife's salary itself is 70,000.
60,000.
Hmm.
And my lords, apart from that, even though there was a quantum of maintenance get to the trial court, the equal status had been looked. Now, in case the wife is not working, then it would be sufficient ground to grant of directing 20,000 per month from husband to the wife. Now she's working well enough. There's sufficient source of income. She has only twins children to look after. I have father, mother, and my brother who are aged of 66 plus above ages. That's on those grounds, my lords, now filed the challenging the impugned order. Well, which is the only concern of the preposition also laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in Rajni vs. Sneha, where equals the capacity of the parties has to look after my lords now. Both are well educated. She's earning good. Now, on those grounds, my lords, we filed this petition and the impugned order came to be stayed by this honorable court. Now they filed in vacating stay. I leave it to my lords.
We'll hear him.
He himself declares in page number 68 that he has not paying, my lordship, the domestic violence, whatever the amount granted in the domestic violence. My lordship, as per his own contentions, my lordship, he requires 60,000 per month. My lordship, wife is earning 66,000. And my lordship, she has to maintain, my lordship, two twins. Out of one, my lordship, who is, my lordship, suffering from one ailment of nerve problem. And subsequently,
Is it nervous problem?
nerve problem. She has declared in her this one, my lordship, nerve problem.
Yes, sir.
And my lordship, she now lives in the, my lordship, in the parents' house. My lordship, she cannot, my lordship, leave without paying them. My lordship, she herself requires, and my lordship, to the children, she requires around 50,000, and plus, my lordship, she has taken 8 lakhs per 8 lakhs amount as for, my lordship, the marriage expenses loan. She has to pay that as well, my lordship. So, my lordship, 20,000 which has been granted by the trial court is, my lordship, even if it's, my lordship, downwards, my lordship, it is no, my lordship,
Yes, please come. Having heard the counsels on either side, there is the material on record. The admitted facts in this case are, the husband's salary is double the salary of the wife, and the wife is taking care of the 2 children. It is a submission of the council that he also has to take care of the parents and the brother. But at the same time, it is also the responsibility of the father to take care of the kids and the husband to take care of the wife. And just because the wife is earning and that she is not entitled for any maintenance, there cannot be such a proposition. In this case, the courts have to look at the social status, the income, and other relevant factors while fixing the compensation. Considering that the wife is taking care of 2 kids and one of them is suffering with suffering with a nervous problem. Court had rightly granted an amount of rupees 20,000, and this court do not find any reasons to interfere with the same accordingly. dismissed.
Very-
Yes, next.